Hey everyone, welcome to Barbecue Elevated. My name is Scott. Today I'm going to show you how to make some very simple, very good tasting barbecue sauce that pairs well with any meat that you want to barbecue. Make this in 5 minutes or less, no problem. Great tasting barbecue sauce that you're going to love. Alright, so the sauce that I'm going to make today is just a regular barbecue sauce. It actually comes from one of Aaron Franklin's books. It's a very simple sauce to make. I'll put the quantities of the ingredients in the comments below. The quantities are a little bit tricky on this one. I think it's because he probably makes a larger quantity of this, maybe for his restaurant. It's just a little bit tricky, so I'll list that below. But I'm just going to kind of go over the ingredients real quick. So we've got here just some organic ketchup. You know, if you don't have organic ketchup, that's okay. You can use regular ketchup. But the organic ketchup, the reason why I go with this is because has less sugar, no corn syrup, so when you're grilling with it, it's not going to burn. Plus, I just don't like things, crazy sweet. Here's our brown sugar. This is a 1/4 cup, plus a little bit more. Like I mentioned, the ingredients quantities are a little bit weird with this one, but then in here we got some kosher salt, some cumin, ground chili powder, and then some coarse black pepper. If you don't have coarse black pepper, you just have regular black pepper. That's totally fine. Then we got some W sauce in here. Got some apple cider vinegar, water, white cider vinegar in this one, and then a saucepan to mix it all in. And then I just have two 16-ounce jars that I use to store it in. Makes somewhere between 3 to 4 cups, which means two 16-ounce jars will hold it. If you just have a 32-ounce jar, that's fine also. Just want to make sure you have enough space. Whatever you're going to store it in, you can pour it all in there. We'll go ahead and just make this real quick. You can make this again within about 5 minutes, no problem. Got our saucepan on the stove, got it on a medium heat. Again, this one's super simple. Really, all you do is just start combining all the ingredients and put them all together. Put them in the pot, one at a time. I usually do the liquids first just because I don't want the solid ingredients to burn at the bottom of the pan while it's warming up, but you really don't have to, and really if you wanted to, you could just mix all these cold and then warm it up if you wanted to. Anyways, just going through and putting all the ingredients in one at a time. Got our seasonings. And now we just have ketchup. Get it all out so we can make sure we get the right amount. Now all we do is we just kind of stir it together, and there's no need to simmer this or even boil it really if you don't want to. It's just a matter of warming it just enough to where the ingredients just kind of melt and blend together. The main one is that brown sugar. I want to make sure that gets melted in, but also we want to make sure we get the ketchup melted in as well. So if you can see now, it's kind of got like this mahogany color to it. So yeah, we're pretty much there. I'm just going to kind of let it warm up just a little bit just to make sure we get everything blended together. The ketchup isn't quite mixed in with it yet, but really this is all that needs to happen. So once it just kind of warms up a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and just put it in my jars and call it done.